All right, this is kitchen tiling problem number 1. You're going to want to go ahead and make sure that you take notes on this one. So we're going to start off. Your kitchen has dimensions 12 feet by 18 feet, so it's just rectangular here. You have an island in the middle that takes up 25% of the floor space. You are going to tile around the island. So we're not going to actually lift up the island. Imagine it's built into the ground. You're buying tiles that are 1 square foot each. The tiles come in boxes of 30 and they cost $45 per box. So how many boxes do we need and how much will it cost? So we're kind of thinking we have this picture here. It's a rectangle. We have the island that's here in the middle. We are not going to tile that in, but we are going to place tile in all of this area that's around it. So we're going to start off by finding the area of the kitchen. So area for a rectangle would be length times width. So we're going to use that 12 times 18 that's there in that first line. And 12 times 18 is going to be 216. And we can go ahead and call that feet squared. We're not really going to be concerned about labels here because our final answer is really just going to be boxes and how much money it is. So an island in the middle takes up 25% of the floor space. The whole entire kitchen is 100%. If the island is 25%, we are not tiling there. So I'm going to go ahead and take that away, which leaves me with 75% of the floor space needs to be tiled. So we're going to try and figure out what is 75% of 216. And that will tell us the amount of space that's going to need to be tiled. Changing this to a decimal and multiplying by 216 is going to give us 162 square feet that's going to need to be tiled. Since each tile is 1 square foot, that would mean that we need 162 tiles. The tiles come in boxes of 30. So we're going to take 162 and divide by 30. And that's going to give us an answer of 5.4. Because I can't buy part of a box, I'm going to have to buy extra tiles. I can't buy less, otherwise I'll have an empty spot. So I'm going to have to buy 6 boxes. And 6 boxes at $45 per box. So I'm going to be multiplying here. So 6 times $45 is going to give me $270. So for this tiling project, we're going to need 6 boxes. And it's going to cost us $270. We're not going to worry about sales tax here. We're just going to get the cost ahead of time. So this is your first kitchen tiling problem. You're going to have 2 more after this that are going to be graded. So like I said, this one you want to make sure that you take notes on and that you're prepared to do some of these on your own then afterward.